Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the 4th developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving 2 weeks after the release of the third betas. Developers enrolled in the beta program can download updates via the software update section in the settings app. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 feature Apple's striking new liquid glass design, emphasizing translucency and smooth glass-like interface elements. This visual style is now present across the lock screen, home screen, control center, and various in-app menus and buttons, offering a unified and modern aesthetic. The updates also bring a range of functional improvements across core apps like Messages, Phone, Shortcuts, and Apple Music, alongside enhancements to CarPlay and powerful new Apple Intelligence features. And for iPad users, iPadOS 26 introduces a reimagined multitasking system, allowing for multiple app windows, bringing the iPad experience closer to that of a Mac. Apple continues to expand on these updates with each beta release. For a complete look at everything new, check out our detailed roundups covering features found in Beta 2, Beta 3, and now Beta 4.